helping patients get their life back and end their battle with chronic pain. We're here with Dr. Lucas Brown, founder of Rosedale Acupuncture and Wellness Center. Great to see you again.
Thank you.
We are talking about neuropathy. Is there a cure?
That's a great question. So if you ask your doctor, the answer is no. Most prescribe medication and hope that it will somewhat slow the symptoms, but really most are surprised to learn that the medication is actually anti-seizure medication. So all it really does is blur the brain and dull the pain. And for a lot of patients, because of that, they tell me that they feel kind of like zombies. You know, they're nauseous, brain fog, chronic fatigue. And even for some patients that can actually tolerate the medication, they choose not to poison themselves just to mask the symptoms for the rest of their lives.
For sure.
Yeah.
And I guess really we want to hear from one of your patients who has been dealing with chronic pain for a while, but he has such a great story. His name is Harvey.
What brought me here was that I was suffering neuropathy in my feet, non-diabetic neuropathy. No explanation as to why, but it was impacting mobility. It was increasingly painful, and I was beginning to tailor my life around it. Which is the first time that I've encountered something like that, where some kind of physical condition was changing my lifestyle. Things changed when I came to Rosedale Acupuncture and met Lucas Brown. He was very forthright and frank about what the prospects were, and he was correct. I didn't feel much improvement for the first 3 weeks, but starting at about week 4, I began to notice things, and by week 6, I was cutting my medications in half. One of the best metrics I could tell you about the improvement is that I was traveling recently, got up in the morning at my hotel room, and it was about halfway through the day before I realized that I had not had any problems with my feet. I'm now walking 2 to 3 miles a day once again, which was becoming increasingly problematic. And I'm in the gym 3 or 4 times a week without my feet intruding on my workout or in any way causing me additional issues. So I'm feeling remarkably well these days.
Well, here at Rosedale Acupuncture and Wellness, we have a saying that your golden years should be golden.
Yes.
And our job is to restore the quality of life. But again, I can't help everyone. So it really just starts with a conversation. If you or your loved ones are having mobility issues or chronic pain, just give us a call. We can set up a consultation to meet with me in person, go over your health history, and see what treatment might possibly look like.
Doctor, thank you so much.
Thank you.